Lagi pa rin. Nagulat ako kasi na-pressure ako, Robin Sienna, na dapat fresh ako ngayon.
Kaya nga.
Napaaga yung live natin, like super legit and
Totoo.
all.
Akala ko naman nasobrahan ka lang sa kape.
Ayun nga nasobrahan talaga ako sa kape. Anyway, I'm just so excited for today, mga kabisyo, because we have a special, like super special, super fresh, lahat
Ang ganda.
na guest.
Lahat na.
Yes, so excited ka na bang ma-meet siya?
Sobra. Wag na natin patagalin ko yung Bicolano. Sino ba ito?
Eto, sino ba siya? Eto, ang guest natin for today is an LA-born artist.
Wow!
O, diba?
LA.
LA-based din siya. Pero, Filipina by heart. Yan naman yung gustong-gusto natin sa kanya. She represents everything hip and pop. Her soothing vocals would make you want to sing along to her single. That's why, very talented. She believes that every artist is different in their own ways. And that her distinct approach to her music will keep listeners playing her song on repeat. Mga kabisyo, online, Team Prom, di sabay-sabay nating i-welcome dito sa Love Radio ang napakagandang si BEY! Welcome sa Love Radio, BEY!
Hello everyone. Thank you for having me.
Of course. Alam mo, super close na tayo. Best friend
Yeah,
na tayo.
of course.
Yeah. BEY, how are you?
I'm
Kumusta ka
okay.
naman?
How are you? How are
All
you
good.
guys?
Naku, papalitan na tayo. Walk out.
Kaya nga Grabe the
Bakit?
freshness,
The
no?
freshness. Anong sikreto mo? Bakit sobrang fresh mo?
Wala lang. Naligo ako. Ganon.
Nasa tamang tao.
Yan.
Of course.
Tao ka. Yan.
Diba? So, eto na nga, Bey, no? Una kang nakilala sa debut single mo na Crash Landing, na
Yes.
inspired sa K-drama series na Crash Landing on You. Grabe yung nakakakilig yun, ha?
Super.
And later on, naging bahagi siya ng Japanese playlist. Wow. So, pwede bang malaman kung bakit ito ang naging concept mo? Ano yung inspiration? Anong
Yeah, of course.
experience and all?
So of course, during the pandemic, I think a lot of us were kind of going on Netflix.
right.
We were bored, didn't know what to do, stuck at home. So everyone was on K-dramas. So Crash Landing #1, diba? When that started. So during that time, I think my mom posted a video on her Instagram. It was a video of me singing Ikaw Tako by Moira. And then my manager at the time, Soupstar, Kuya Darwin, he saw it and he said, "Oh, hey, do you want to write with Ate Eunice Jorge of Grace Note? Maybe you guys can think of something, find a song that you guys like." Tapos during our writing session, sabi niya, "Have you ever watched Crash Landing? Because K-dramas are really hot right now. Maybe we can do something on that." Sabi niya. I said, "Oh no, not yet." And she was like, "Okay, I think we can do something with this. If you like K-dramas, we can go in that kilig song type of vibe." So that's where it came from.
Ay, nako.
Nasabayan talaga.
Yeah.
Nasabayan ng trend.
On
Oo.
purpose.
Mag-thank you ka dapat kay mom.
Actually, si mama talaga yun.
Iba talaga kapag mga mother, no, may mga ganun talaga silang instinct. But very interesting to know that, babe. But, you know, after Crash Landing, na super trending naman talaga, inilabas mo naman yung second single mong Nevermind. Ito yung kinig mo sa akin kanina, Robin Sienna, na antithesis daw ng debut single
As in
mo.
super opposite.
Grabe, totoo ba?
As in hugot na song.
Wow.
If you listen to it, breakup song.
Wow.
Revenge era.
What's your inspiration on this? Sa single na to?
I think it would have to be, all of the songs that I've put out so far are kind of like, they're levels of a relationship, I
Right.
guess you can say. So, when you're super in love, honeymoon phase, yun yung crash landing phase. Then Nevermind, yun yung, oh, I don't really know if this is what I want for myself. I think I deserve better. So, I think that's kind of the
Hugot na
message.
hugot.
Oh, diba? Hugot
Sakit.
na song, no?
Sobrang sakit. Pero Bey, good to know na aside from, you know, na nagko-conceptualize ka talaga sa music mo, you're really a storyteller. And that's really important naman sa craft na ginagawa
of course,
natin. You tell a story. And feeling ko mas lalo kong naging lodi, naging idol si Bey dahil sa mga kwento na to and all.
Totoo, na-humanize yung music niya, no? So, next question, babe. By the end of 2021, ginawa mo naman yung first single mo na Dahilan.
Yes, first
Ayan.
Tagalog song.
Oo nga.
Hirap, ang hirap.
So, yun, kumusta naman experience mo? Anong pinanghuhugutan mo naman dito?
Well, for my experience personally, it was super hard growing up in LA kasi obviously I have an accent when I speak Tagalog.
Right.
So when I was recording, I had to keep re-recording some words. Like a lot of the words I've never heard before, like kumakaripas ng takbo. Never heard that in my house. Lola,
Medyo
lola,
malalim
never.
na eh. Yeah,
Never
right.
heard that, never used that. So yeah, different experience, but I love learning it. It helps me, learn more about our culture.
Yeah.
I get to know more of the malalim na words. But also, I really like the meaning of the song. Well, no, I don't like it, but it's not you, it's me. I can't tell why. Well, who's the problem? But I think it's,
It's
Ay,
me.
nako, Bey,
I'm the-
masyado
Diba?
mong
Different
sinasaktan
levels of
si,
relationship.
Robin
Ay,
Sienna.
relatable ba?
It's about Bay.
It's
Not
about
me.
it. Oo.
So, kwento.
Yeah, kwentuhan to.
Mamaya,
Oo.
girl.
Pero Bey, nabanggit mo, nabanggit ko rin kanina sa
Yes.
intro mo, pareha tayong taga LA. You're from Los Angeles, ako from LA, Legazpi, Albay.
Ako din. I'm from LA, Lower Antipolo.
Lower Antipolo. Ayan. Pero you're from LA, and what made you decide na pumunta na dito sa napakagandang Pilipinas? And
Of
eto
course,
pa,
it is
yung
beautiful.
mga kabisyo natin, are you staying here for good?
Yes,
Man.
I'm here for work.
Wow, yes!
Woo! I love it here, actually. I love it here. It feels like home. Because ever since I was younger, I was visiting here, seeing my family, and also helping my mom with her work. So,
Wow.
wasn't really much of a culture shock. or
Yeah, at
anything.
least parang mas na in love ka talaga lalo sa kultura natin.
Diba?
'Di ba? Nakapag street foods ka na ba?
Of course. Not your,
Not my
Young
ano.
blood.
Young
Tense
blood,
kasi.
orange zigzag.
I
Oo.
know the actual Filipino word. Ano
Yeah.
daw? Young blood?
Daisaw,
Yung
pero
artist,
na-try mo na yon.
Yeah.
Incubated eggs.
Universal Records actually had me try yung mga isaw.
Oh, yeah.
And then I was like, guys, bakit mapait yung part nito? Sabi, oh no, you ate poop.
Oh yeah, it's really the food.
Yun talaga ang
Yeah.
highlight.
Yeah.
Yun yung highlight nun eh.
Yeah,
Yung
that's my
pupo.
first.
Correct. Wow, so very interesting. At least Pinay na Pinay pa rin
Yeah.
talaga si Bey, no?
Truly. Now, Bey, kilala ka as a refined singer. Pero at the same time, nakikita ng mga tao yung mga videos mo online with the Kaluwag family.
Yes.
Na ang fun mo palang tao, 'di ba? So now, what's the difference ng Isabella, which is your real name, from Bey as an artist?
Yeah, I think wala talagang difference eh. I think just because it's my music, not a lot of people see how I am, but if they do hear my music, that's what they hear, my voice. They don't see me like being really hyper or
Right.
stuff like that. So it's nice when people get to finally know me and know how I am as a person. I like that both of the worlds connected.
Yeah. Alam niyo mga kabisyo, hindi plastic and all nung pagpasok talaga dito, iba yung vibe ni Bey talaga eh. Mafe-feel mo yun eh sa aura ng isang tao if like parang
Actually,
nagpe-pretend
true.
lang or what. But
True.
very friendly. Feeling ko sa past life, Robin Sienna, magkapatid kami. Kaya pareha kaming
Yeah.
fresh. Yes. Kaya pareha kaming fresh.
Pareho kaming konyo.
Yes, konyo.
Diba?
Right. But anyway, pag-usapan naman natin yung mga future plans mo.
Okay.
Na-research namin at talagang napatunayan ko through your Instagram.
Wow.
Na-stalk ka na niya.
Na-stalk
actually.
talaga kita. Nakapag-aral ka sa dalawa. Not one, pero dalawang
two.
prestigious university. That's Oxford and Yale.
Yes.
Oh, ay,
Before.
nako, super legit yan. And now you are pursuing your career dito sa music na very passionate ka. Ano yung mga future plans mo pa?
So I do want to go back to school, maybe later in the future, soon in the future, so I, can finish na.
Yeah.
I want to do my MBA because I actually
Wow.
studied business administration. So I want to finish that. So, I have that higher education because that's also a really big value of mine. But also, I really want to put out more songs soon. I'm going to be writing more songs soon, hopefully.
Yeah,
Focus on
good.
work, school,
work-
music.
Work, school, music, love life, syempre.
Oo, yun
Yeah.
talaga.
Life.
Yes, oo. Yun naman yung importante doon. Alam mo, Robin Sienna, ito yung mga gusto ko sa mga bagong sibol. Oh, narinig mo na yung sibol? Like, bagong ganon. Like, ay,
Bagong
nako, kahit-
bloom.
Bagong bloom.
Bagong
Bagong
grow.
bloom na mga
Ganon.
artist natin ngayon. Talagang hindi na lang, alam mo yun, yung naka-focus sa isang goal lang.
Field,
Gusto
yeah.
na rin nila may impact sa community. Katulad ni Bey.
Truly.
Nag-MBA siya ngayon. So, keep on inspiring people.
At saka
Bey.
napansin ko sa kanya, yung iba kasi makikita mo if nag-struggle sila to balance their
Right.
stuff in life. Pero ikaw may love life. Oh, merong music, may
Right.
studies and all.
Nagmo-model pa.
Diba? Tayo, hirap na hirap.
Tayo, hirap na hirap. Ako sa buko, hirap na ako eh. Oh.
Ay, nako. But anyway, and let's move on to the next part of the
Exciting
interview. Oo, maglalaro tayo.
Maglalaro tayo. Maghahabulan tayo
Fun.
dito sa
Okay.
booth.
Hide and seek, go.
I didn't see.
Okay, now, so this is a game called Sing the Song Challenge. So basically,
Okay.
magbibigay lang kami sa'yo ng description ng song.
Okay.
Tapos, you'll sing a part,
part
of
of
it.
it.
Okay, so first song. Sing the song that best describes your emotions right now.
Because I'm happy, clap along. If you feel like a room without a roof.
Happy. Di ba?
Yung background vocal.
Sing the last song you listened to.
Ooh. So there's this new K-pop group. I'm sure you guys have heard of them. New Jeans. Yung name. The last song I listened to was Hype Boy. So, Malibu, no Cuba, take him to the sky. You know I hype your boy.
진짜 한지로 엑스코 한국 몽으로 진짜 한지대 저 가로노요 배.
Wait lang, anong bansa?
Wala yun. Dasal yun. Dasal lang talaga yun.
Dinadasalan ka na niya.
Yeah, ito very interesting to. Next, Robin.
Sing the song that reminds you of your childhood.
Yan.
Ay, marami.
Aww.
Okay. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like... I don't know the rest of the lyrics, but yeah. I Need You by Leanne Rimes. My mom would play that all the time.
Ito. Sing your favorite Beyonce song.
Oh, ang hirap. Can I mash up, ganun? Halftime performance.
Ganun dapat.
Kahit sayaw na, di ba kasasama tayo?
Let's do this. Oh, may ganun pala. Oo. Ready si Bey.
I love you like EXO. You love me like EXO. You love me, boy, EXO. You love me, boy, EXO. All that I see, give you everything. Baby, love me lights out. EXO, Beyonce.
Sample pa lang yung Robin. Wala talaga.
Aagaw niya si Beyonce.
Right.
I love Beyonce.
Melody. Yeah. Now, next, sing a song by a band you wish are still together.
Sad, Panic at the Disco. But I can't think of
Ay.
sad!
Sad.
Ano yung song by Panic at the Disco? If you love me, let me go. If you love me, let me go. Na, 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 na.
Ay, naku, mga humming ni Bey talaga.
sakit.
Nananakit ka, Bey. Ano ka ba?
Totoo.
Sing a song you love but used to hate.
Wala eh. I
Used
love
to
but
hate, pero ay, gusto ko na siya.
Oh, okay, wait. Actually, I think there is. The song that from TikTok TikTok song. Small town boy in a big arcade. Na 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 do a losing game. Ooh, all I know, loving you is a losing. Lahat hugot, no?
Oo nga.
Losing game talaga.
Oo, natutulala na talaga.
Napapaghalataan si Bey.
Totoo yan.
Sorry.
Ito, very interesting to.
Oh, happy song.
I think sa'yo to. Dapat sa'yo
Actually,
manggaling tong tanong na to.
excited ako. Sing the song that you would love played at your wedding.
Ayan.
Ay, wait. Easy.
Handa na siya!
Handang-handa na,
Ready
no?
na siya!
Mula noon hanggang ngayon, wala na yan, alhamdulillah, ikaw at ako.
Okay, alam
Ikaw ba?
na.
Ikaw, pag sa wedding mo.
Bakit pa ako?
Ikaw, ako pag sa wedding ko. Pag sa wedding ko.
Hypothetical. Sample.
Sample.
Bahay kubo.
Yeah, ganun pala. Ako gusto ko kapag sa wedding ko, tara para lahat ma-inspire magpakasal na rin. Oo, tara let's pala. Diba? Ayan, Bey, I hope nag-enjoy ka sa mini warm-up. Warm-up pa lang pala yun.
Warm-up, hide and seek yung game,
Yeah,
diba?
ito na yung susunod. Kasi ito na yung pinaka-exciting part. Kasi, syempre, you'll be releasing your single. So, ito, pag-usapan na natin to. Napag-usapan natin kanina yung nauna mong singles na super trending na Crash Landing, my favorite na Nevermind, and then Dahilan. Ano yung kakaibang mai-offer ng latest single mong Close to You? And tungkol saan ito?
Yes. So I think Close to You really helped me find my sound, especially since I was more involved sa songwriting process
Right.
and production in general. So I worked with Fern and Kindred Productions to write the song. And I was inspired by more of R&B R&B pop, more like. Yung first ko na sound, obviously, it went around. So there was Crash Landing na super bubblegum pop.
Right.
And then Nevermind na super Billie Eilish, revenge rock type. So Close to You is different in a sense where I feel like it's more a sound that I like to listen to and a sound that I like to sing as well. So yeah, I really like it.
Super nice, no? I mean, at least nakikita natin na BEY is really a fan of diversity.
Yes.
A fan of, individuality.
True. From hugot to, alam mo yun, may
In love to
kilig.
hugot.
Oo,
Yeah, right,
pinaglalaroan
right.
niya yung pakiramdam
Oo
natin
nga.
dito, Conyo Bicolano. Okay, now, so napanood namin yung nakakakilig music
Music
video.
video.
Nakaka-stress. So how was it working with Ruru Madrid?
Oh my gosh, he's so nice. So nice in person. And, he deserves the best. He was super nice in being there, staying there to film the music video. And he's super funny to work with and super great to work with as well. So I think he made things a lot easier for me because I don't think I'm an actor. I mean, actress. So a lot of the feelings that the director was telling me, like, oh, look at him, like you have a crush on him. But obviously I just met him. So parang ang weird, no? Like you
Right.
look at someone and you're like, I don't know what to do. He's like, it's okay. Calm down. You got it. So he's like one of my friends now. And,
And it
Really,
shows.
it shows.
It shows sa music
Yung-
video, very natural and nakakakilig talaga.
Nung una talaga, sino tong photographer na to ni BEY? Kasi parang ganun yung concept, no?
Yeah.
So you were involved din pala sa conceptualization, sa production noon.
Yung concept ko initially was actually more of I told you are the meaning of my song, which is basically putting boundaries for yourself and loving yourself. So the concept at first was supposed to be you see me in different pegs. So
Right.
I'm doing cologne and then
Right.
yung energy drink.
Stuff, yeah.
So I am kind of lost in what other people tell me to do, that I kind of forget who I am as a person and what I like to do for myself. So that was the concept behind Close to You. So I really liked what they put together in terms of when I told them what the meaning was.
I love it.
And then they just
Yeah.
put Ruru in it and it made it even better.
Better. Oh, very natural nga sa on-screen eh.
Truly.
Well, eto na. Natutulala talaga ako sa freshness mo. Gusto ko maging close.
Close to You.
Pwede mo ba kaming bigyan ng sample? Yung mga kabisyo natin
Sample.
online, bigyan mo kami ng sample patikim ng Close to You.
Of course.
O yan. So mga kabisyo online, eto na ang nag-iisang BEY para patikimin tayo ng Close to You.
Okay. Racing but I'm wishing all time would slow. Everywhere at once but nowhere to go. Sometimes it could feel a little bit too much. I must be out of touch. All the things I should have said. Always told, do it like that. Aim for gold, but I don't know if I want all the things that people want from me. What do I want for myself? Close to you, so close to you. Take me for my honesty, giving you the best of me. Close to you, so close to you. Isn't what it's supposed to be. What a waste of time. Never meant to lose my mind.
Wow.
Grabe, mga kabisyo, live po yun, ha?
Live.
Ang ganda!
Oh, gagi pare. Like super legit and all. Tinitingnan ko siya dito sa kaharap ko tapos on screen. Walang pagkakaiba. Bakit tayo
Oo,
iba-iba?
pareho lang. Grabe.
Well, BEY, congratulations.
Thank you
Ang
so
ganda-ganda
much.
nito and I'm pretty sure you'll be inspiring more Filipino artists na i-celebrate pa ang individuality nila. But BEY, please promote your new single.
Yes.
And may mga upcoming events ka ba para syempre masundan
Yes.
ka namin,
Yes.
'di ba? Please.
So please do stream my newest single, Close to You, and it's available on all digital streaming platforms worldwide under Universal Records. And you can also follow me for any updates under @IsabellaOpasco on Instagram, as well as my upcoming gig. It's on February 21. It's actually to promote my fellow Universal Record buddy, Timmy Albert, for his new single. And I will actually be there to perform live. If you want to come check it out, it's at 12 Monkeys. So see you there.
Yeah, punta tayo.
Oo nga.
Yeah, please.
Valentine's.
Yes. Oo, dadalhan kita ng orange zigzag and all those stuff.
Young blood.
Young bloods. Yan.
And once again, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.
At mga kabisyo, yan, once again, BEY! Napakaganda, no? So mga kabisyo, huwag niyo rin kakalimutan na i-follow ang mga social media accounts ng Love Radio Manila, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, lahat na. So see you mga kabisyo, 90.7 Love Radio.
Feel good. Bye. Thank you,
Bye.
babe.
Thank you so
Woohoo!
much. Thank
Congrats.
you.
Yay.